Trust isn't one thing, it's 5. And once you can see them separately, you'll stop waiting for it all to come back at once. Welcome to Lesson 2. Last time we said trust is layered. Now let's name the layers, because once you can see them separately, you can see the progress that's genuinely there, instead of waiting for it all to arrive at once. There are 5 dimensions. The first trust is safety. Can I trust you not to endanger yourself or others? This is the ground floor, and it's the one your boundaries will protect, which we'll come to. The second trust is honesty. Can I trust your words? Honesty doesn't rebuild through apologies or promises. It rebuilds through consistent truth-telling, watching words and actions line up again and again. The third trust is reliability. Can I trust your follow-through? This is the bridge between what someone means to do and what they actually do. It grows through small commitments kept, the call that comes when they said it would. Not grand gestures, small things repeated. The fourth trust is emotional. Can I trust you with my feelings? This one rebuilds slowly, and it should. You cannot be tender and open with someone who isn't yet safe, honest or reliable, and holding back until they are isn't coldness. It's wisdom. Please don't rush yourself here. And the fifth trust is future. Can I trust where this is heading? This is the last to return because it asks the most. It needs sustained evidence, months, sometimes years of it. It's perfectly all right for this one to take its time. Here's why naming them helps you stand steady. When you can see the 5 separately, you stop expecting trust to come flooding back all at once, which it never does, and you start noticing the quiet, real progress. Honesty might still be shaky, while reliability slowly grows. That's not failure, that's the picture coming into focus. In your workbook there's a 5 dimensions assessment. This time it comes with a simple 1 to 5 rating guide, so you're not guessing what a 3 or a 5 means. You'll have words to anchor each one. Rate each as honestly as you can. Note the evidence you've actually seen, and name one small step. Only when you've the energy, it keeps. In Lesson 3, we'll look at the 4 phases trust moves through, so you can find exactly where you are. Rate your own 5 dimensions using the 1 to 5 guide in your workbook. Then meet me for Lesson 3, next up in this playlist, where we map the 4 phases of rebuilding.